Candace. Hello.
Hey Jen.
Hi.
Okay, it's working.
Let's just get this over with. I'm so tired.
Yeah, I got on at like 8:30 and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so confused. Was it tomorrow? Did I miss it? I didn't know what was
No,
going
it was
on.
just she was supposed to email me when she got back and she never did. And so we were
Yeah, I
waiting and
wonder,
waiting.
I don't know what happened. But did you get the email from me?
Yes.
Did it work as an Excel?
Well, I got SPS to work.
Oh,
Yeah, I
perfect.
called the help desk and I was on the phone with them for like an hour and a half trying to figure it out.
No wonder you're so tired. Oh,
Uh,
that's awful.
they're like, it must be your internet connection. So I live in Provo, so I have Google Fiber. So I called Google Fiber and hashed it out. Nope, my internet's fine. That's
I
not
was
the
like, Google
problem.
Fiber is like really good.
It is really good, and I have the 1 gig. So I mean, it's great internet. I've never had a problem with it, but
Yeah.
I was just doing it just to be sure. Nope, not my internet.
Yeah, I'm glad that you got it worked out. So,
Yeah,
I don't I don't know how to use SPS very well. It's kind of confusing, but I'm sure we can figure it out as we go.
yeah,
Do you know how to use it? I couldn't really find instructions on there. I just kind of Googled them.
yeah. So I know I remember a little bit how to use it.
Oh, because you've used it before.
Yeah, but it's still vaguely. It's been a long time,
Yeah.
but we'll figure it out.
Okay, cool. So if you have everything pulled up, I'm ready to start if you're ready to start.
Okay.
Myra, are
Well,
you ready?
Yeah.
okay, I'm
Okay.
just gonna start the quiz then.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Okay, it freaks me out, but let's do it.
And no, I'm freaked out right now.
Hey, but we've been trying for a long time.
Did
We'll
you
get at
guys
least
even get it? Did you guys? I called the instructor, but she didn't answer.
did
I
you get
got
my email? Myra, I emailed it in Excel. Maybe you could access it that way.
yeah.
Did? Let me see.
Also, we can save it for later. So I've opened it already and it says you can save for later. So no
Oh,
pressure.
sweet.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's do that too.
Yeah.
So there you go. Okay. So the first two questions are easy. It's just your participation ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's do this. Oh. They won't let you save for later because I tried to go. Okay, maybe it will. Hold on. Continue.
There's a button on mine. Does it say on yours save for
Oh yeah,
later?
no, it did it. I was
Oh yeah.
just because I have a Mac and so I had SPSS open
Uh-huh.
on the anyway. It's a long
Okay.
story, but I wanted
Okay.
to switch it to another one and it let me. It's a really long story. I don't feel like talking about it.
All right. So let's just do number 3. So we got to read this story.
Okay, that happens not very often, but
Okay. The data in the file represent the amount hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating the hospital won the legal battle. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong lawsuits. Okay. I think I know how to do that. So you just... I did it earlier. Let's see if I can do it again.
excuse me.
Oh, it won't let me run it on this data? Maybe if I... Oh, I'm on the wrong one.
Okay.
Alright, I got the mean is 46172.05.
Hold on. It's not letting me pull up the data in SPSS.
Oh, well, I have it. So, I don't know. You
Yeah.
guys can just use my answers if you want, and you can always save it for later
That's
and
true.
double check on your own.
That's
Yeah,
true.
that sounds like a good idea. I'm just gonna save
Okay,
it and
what did you
Okay. So, for the mean amount, I got 46,172. And so it says round to nearest dollar. So that would be it.
so okay. So 46172.
Uh-huh.
Okay, find the standard deviation of the amount paid.
And that'll say that right here too. And that's, does it say round to the nearest whole dollar? So that would
Yes.
be 105,986. So it's 105,986.
Can
Oh,
you say
actually,
it again one more time, please?
Which one?
okay, so the mean is 46172.
Okay, got it.
Because the question says to round to the nearest whole dollar, so I'm not giving you the decimal. And so for 4, if you're rounding, it's 105,987.
1095.
Backwards, 105,987.
Okay.
Okay. And then number
Okay.
5. This one is, what is the median survival time? So this,
Wouldn't it be?
we just need to put it on a graph, right? So what's the middle of 1 and 19, right? That's the median.
But it has to do with your data that you have.
So do we have different data?
Well, this is what we have. So we have 1, 3, 5, and 19.
Yes.
So I thought the median was in between the two.
Largest numbers.
The two middle
That's-
numbers.
Oh, it's in between two middle numbers.
That's
Oh.
what I thought. Let me verify. It's been so long since I've done math, so this is really sad that I don't remember this.
Yeah.
This is sad. I remember learning this in like 2nd grade.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Seriously.
Median is the middle value.
Of all the numbers?
Yeah, so if it's
Okay.
an odd number, okay, so if it's an even number, you take the mean of the two middle values sorted out.
So it's 1 through 19. So if you put it on like a line thing,
But it's of the values you have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to line it up in order for the
Well,
median.
it's like 1, 3. Okay, let me go back to the quiz because I went to the instructions. So it's 1, 3, 5, 19. So do we do the middle of 3 and 5? Do you see what I'm saying? Oh no, you can't do this to me.
Or wait, is the median the most middle number of the numbers you're given? Is that what you're saying?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
oh yeah,
in
you
the-
guys are right.
In the instructions, it says, like in the online thingy, it says if the numbers are even, if there's an even number of values, the median is the mean of the two middle values in the sorted list.
Yeah. So it'll be a 4.
It'll be
Right?
4, I think.
Okay.
The standard deviation. I have no idea. Okay, let's look to see how to calculate that.
Is that where you do like the square?
Yeah, all
Yeah.
that crap.
So n is 176. So it's n minus 1, right? That's what you're supposed to divide it by.
I don't remember.
Isn't N 4? 1, 2, 3, 4? Because there's 4 types, 4 months.
Oh, that makes more sense. But
So it's 4 minus 1.
so okay, so
I'm confused.
what you're supposed to do, I know it's n minus 1. You divide the total. We did it on the homework.
Right.
I just can't remember exactly what it was.
So it's the sum of the square deviation
And then divided by 3.
divided by n minus 1,
Oh, okay.
which is, 3, because it's 4 minus 1.
So divided by 3, I get 9.33. That's the variance, right? So then we need to square it.
No, we have to do all that before we do the variance. The variance is the sum of the squared numbers over n minus 1.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm gonna get a
so-
standard deviation calculator. Hold on. Because okay,
So you
Uh,
have the
standard. Okay, hold on. Sorry, calculator.
So you have to find the mean of those 4 numbers first. So to find the mean, you have to add them all up. and then divide them by the n, which is 4. So
Ooh,
19
this is
plus
complicated.
5 plus 3 plus 1.
Yeah, so
The calculator I looked up online gave me 8.165. But when I did the math, I thought I got 9.33.
okay, so this is what I want you to find the mean first. Let's see. So, sorry, I'm so skeptical, guys.
No, I really care because last time we didn't do that good because of that question.
I know. I'm like, dang it, crap. So find the mean. Divided by 4. The mean is 7. Oh, that is confusing. I'm looking and it's like, no, you add this and this and this and this and this.
Yeah. So variance is the squared standard deviation. So we got that part right according to our
And then, right. So did you guys figure out what number 6 is then?
That's what I'm trying to do that by hand.
Yeah, I really don't feel like doing that by hand. So let me see if I can get SPSS to work.
Okay.
Oh, can you just do it straight on here?
Yeah, you could do it straight on SPSS, but whether it works or not, that's the problem.
How do you do that?
You have to input all the data, and then you'll go to, I have to look at it. But you can figure it out. It'll give you the mean, standard deviation. It'll give you everything that you need.
Oh, I
But-
think I know how to do it. Okay.
But I just can't, I can't get the wrong site, wrong surgery thing, or whatever it's called, to upload onto SPSS. I can't get the data to upload.
Well, the numbers they gave us, we don't need the data for this question, right? We just need the numbers that were given to us for this question.
Oh, that's true. You're right.
So then I think I know what you're saying, and I think I can do it.
Yeah, it's not hard. It just keeps on timing out of SPSS.
All right. It's not showing me the standard deviation for these numbers.
I'm going away 'cause you're cute. I was listening to some Ariana Grande and now it's in my head. All right. Okay. This class is a lot more work than I want it to be.
All right.
Okay,
I tried to push that button and it didn't give me.
so it's 1, 3. Oh, shnikes. What do you want? 1. Okay. What? Okay. Let's do a new one. Let's see. No.
Okay. Sorry, I'm here.
You're fine.
Oh, hi.
I just got back.
You're okay. We just decided to just get rolling. We're not very
Yeah,
far.
we're on number 6, so I can help you through while everyone's looking at stuff.
Try to figuring it out. Okay. Oh, no, not that. I'm going away. Yes, I want to proceed.
What did you say you got for the standard deviation?
That's what we're figuring out.
When I tried to calculate it, I got 9.33.
Okay.
But I don't know if it's right. Also, I was looking back at the numbers I'd given you guys. Do you know which column I was supposed to take those numbers from? Because there's 2 columns in the data, and I just realized I just took it from one. I don't know if that's right.
Let me see. Thanks for catching that, though.
Yeah, I just...
Let's see.
Because it said some of the values equal 0, so I took it from the column with some of the values that were 0. But I guess there's zeros on both columns now, so I'm not sure. But one says wrong site,
This
one
is
says wrong patient.
huge.
So. not really sure if I'm supposed to do both of them. Can I do both of them at the same time?
I don't know.
I don't
So
know.
which one's which? So one's wrong site, one's wrong patient. What is she asking for?
That's what I just realized I don't know.
She wants the wrong site.
Are you sure?
It says, find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits.
Good catch.
On
So I
both
think
of
I
them.
did the wrong column, so
Okay.
we might need to change those numbers. But I can redo it right now.
No worries.
Wait, which number are you guys on?
We're talking about number 3. We were only on number 6, so we didn't get that far. Okay.
Wait, so you're in part 2, number 6.
Right, but we're going back to number 3 because
I messed up the column I used.
yeah.
But I caught it before I turned it in, so
That's the important part.
Okay. So now, so I was just taking the column for number 3, and I was just clicking the chart with the cursive M next to it, and it gave me all the numbers. It calculated them. So the mean is actually 80,041.
80041.
Yeah. And then standard deviation is 71404. Sorry about that.
No, I'm glad you caught it. I appreciate the honesty. And then 19. Analyze descriptive statistics. I want some statistics. Percentile. Okay, let's see.
Yay! I got my face on it now.
Oh, did you? I haven't even
Yeah, I
been
figured
looking.
it out.
Oh, good. I haven't even
Alright.
been looking on this. I've been trying to
Okay.
work on SPSS.
So everyone got those numbers, and Stephanie, are you confused at what's going on?
Well, I'm confused as to which one you guys are on. So you're on part 2, number 6.
We just redid 3 and 4 because we needed to take it from the wrong site column, and I had done it from the other column. So now we're going back. Now we're on number 5.
Gosh, Nikes, what just happened?
Okay, so for number 3, you said it was 80041,
Yeah.
and then for 4, 71404.
Yes.
Okay, so that one's 3.
Yeah. So, Stephanie, for number 5, we decided it was 4 months because if you line all the numbers up in order, you're supposed to choose the most middle number given. But since there's an even amount of numbers, we chose a number between 3 and 5, which was 4.
I'm looking at the right assignment you guys are on.
We're on the quiz.
Oh. Okay. I'm not on the quiz right now.
Sorry.
Makes sense. I thought you guys were working on the preparation assignment still.
No.
Oh, no wonder you were confused. Sorry about that.
Let me pull up the quiz.
Sorry, we should have clarified. My bad.
All good. All bad.
At least how was your meeting? Did you at least have a good meeting?
It was a good meeting. You know, the girls were a bit rambunctious, so it took a while to end it, but,
No worries.
you know, it was still really fun. I love being in activity days.
That's awesome.
Fun.
Is it sad that I've never used Excel on my computer?
Yeah, that is.
So we
Apparently
started with correct.
Oh, we don't really use it in nursing. Like, I've never had to use it. So I'm like, wait, where do I find it? I've used Word a lot.
Yeah, I use Word too. I had to go on Google and Google how to go to a graph on Excel because it says chart on my Mac, and I'm like, but is that a graph? I don't get it. It's pretty bad.
Excel, apparently can do a lot of stuff, but unless you really know it, it's useless.
I know, that's kind of how I feel. I'm like a helpless child when I use Excel.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you there, Stephanie?
Not yet. My computer is being weird.
No worries.
Hey, Stephanie,
Hey.
do you know how to calculate standard deviation?
I do.
Because they gave us 4 numbers, and then we're supposed to calculate the standard deviation.
So I found this website that told me how to do it in Excel. So I'm opening up Excel. That's why I said that. To try to calculate it.
For calculating standard deviation, you're using Excel, right?
Yes, I am right now.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like I'm my coworkers trying to use a computer. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like helping your mom or something with the computer.
Yeah, and you're like, oh my gosh, you're driving me crazy. And I'm like, well, I'm that debilitating right now. Okay, so. Wait, what's the difference? Above.
Okay.
Again, every day.
Ooh.
They say
Alright.
Okay, tell me one more time, Candace, what you got for the, oh, you said 9.33, right?
Yeah, when I did it on my phone, but I don't know if it's right. It's probably not.
equal.
Okay, so what did you guys get for number 3 on number?
So number 3, we got 80041. I just clicked on the column of wrong site and then clicked the chart M button, the chart with the little cursive M on it, and it gave me all the information.
Okay.
And then for number 4, I got 71404.
Now I'm gonna pull up what we're actually. I'm gonna try to figure.
I feel like this question's supposed to be easy.
Well, we just don't want to screw up. That's our thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So, question. When it says
Yes.
click on the group meeting part and it says the activity directions, you guys are on the wrong site, wrong patient data, right?
Uh-huh.
That's the
Okay.
data that we will be using. We
Okay.
used it for the first 2.
Okay. So where are you guys at now?
We are
The
on
next 2 questions.
number 6.
Okay, so where do I go from the page that says, I clicked on that link and it says, please choose your course type and course code, whatever. There's like a whole bunch of a list of stuff.
Oh, you scroll down to the bottom and click on the one that is wrong site, wrong patient.
Okay.
Wrong site, wrong page. And open.
Let's go back to question 6 and do the other ones.
So I'm not sure. Okay. This email told me, or this website told me how to do it, but it says you can either use the standard deviation or standard deviation P, but I don't know what the difference is. And
One
so
gives you the p-value.
Is that what it is? So
I'm
it says,
completely
like, this will
guessing.
calculate the standard deviation using the N method that is example above used. I don't know what that is. So I have 2 numbers for the standard deviation. So I have 8.16 and 7.7 from Excel because I don't know which formula to use.
Okay, I
Not 8.16 too, actually, by doing it by hand.
think it's 8.16.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just got that.
Okay, do you want to just do that then?
Yeah.
Okay, do we have to round it at all?
It says give to your nearest tenth. So it's 8.2.
Yeah.
All right, and so then for the... Okay, so really fast, Myra, can you tell me exactly how you got that?
Yeah. So you have the numbers going in order or whatever, right?
Uh-huh.
And then you get the mean from that.
Okay.
So the mean was 7, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So then you subtract 7 by every single one of those numbers. So 5 minus 7, 19 minus 7, 1 minus 7, and 3 minus 7.
Okay, I see what you did.
So I got, 2, 12, 6, and 4, and then you have to square root.
Square
Yeah.
them. Oh, yeah, we did that on the homework. Okay.
That's a
And-
lot of work.
It is.
Uh,
That's why it took so long. I was quiet because I'm like, I can't do this.
That's a lot of work. I don't want to do that. Okay.
Anyway, so then you square root those numbers and then you add them. And so that's what the variance is. It's the sum of those numbers over n minus 1. So
so
n,
what exactly is n?
so n is the number of units. So we have 1, 2,
4.
3 months.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
So it says that we have 4 months. So however many sets of numbers that we have, it's the n.
Okay.
So we have 4. So then it's 4 minus 1, which is 3. So you do whatever you got. I've made a mess over here. But so I divided the sum by 3 and then square rooted what I got from that.
Okay.
And now, okay, that makes sense. So,
I know how to do it in Excel.
That's good.
Just to let you guys know. Okay.
Okay. So, the 5-number summary, how do we do that? Because I feel like we should have,
Oh, it said in the instructions.
I think I just exited out of them.
It's easier to do it in SPSS. I know that.
What number are you guys on?
We are on 7.
So what number do they want to give us? Because isn't it supposed to be like the minimum, first quartile, median, and third quartile, and maximum? So I don't know how to give that in one number. Right?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Oh, right here. Oh, never mind. I see. It says, what is the first number in the 5
Oh,
number?
so like the 25? Is that what it's asking?
So
Like
I think the first
25%?
number. I think the first one is the minimum.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So
I'm
it's
thinking of
1.
the wrong one.
Yeah. So it's minimum, and then first quartile, and then median, third quartile, maximum. Or something like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So then the second number is the first quartile. So
Would that be like 1.5 or something?
so the quartiles, you're dividing it into 4 sections, but you need to divide it by 3. I don't know. I'm just talking nonsense.
Okay, hold on. Once I get SPSS keeps on crashing on me and it's making me annoyed.
That is annoying.
So like I get everything all up and running and then it crashes and it makes me so irritated.
So it's 25% of the numbers. So we take 25% of 19.
Because I know how to do it in SPSS because I have instructions written for me. I just need to access the information and to put it into SPSS for SPSS not to crash on me. That's a big demand.
I wish you could tell me how to do it because then it's working for me. I just don't know how to
Do you have the numbers on there? Do you have like all the...
Yeah.
Let me see if I can walk you through it. So you go to, I think it's analysis. Let's see. So you go to analysis and then descriptive statistics and then explore.
Okay. And put it on the dependent list, factor list.
Yeah, so you put, it just depends on which one. So click the variable and then click the arrow to go
Yeah.
over the dependent list.
Okay.
And then press statistic,
And then okay.
button in the corner, and then press percentile.
Okay. Wow,
And
you
then
actually-
press OK. Continue OK. I think.
All right, I just pressed that, and
And then it takes a while to load up everything.
okay, I was like, everything just disappeared.
Yeah, there'll be a new thing that pops up, and it'll say processing. And so give it a second because it's analyzing your data, and it'll put it on there for you.
Okay. So percentiles. 25th percentile is 2.
Okay, let's see.
That's what it says.
Okay.
And then the 50%, which would be the median, right, is
Yes.
4. And the 75 quartile, or the third quartile is 12. And that's all it gives us, because then our top number is 19. All right, that wasn't too bad.
What is the? Okay.
So the
first
second number, first number is 1.
First number is 1. The second number is
2.
and the
and-
fourth number.
Fourth number would be the 12, right? Because it's a... Okay.
Yeah, you're
So
right.
the class isn't really about knowing how to do math. It's about knowing how to use programs.
Yeah, basic. And knowing how to interpret what the program says.
That's true. That's true. You have to know what it's telling you.
Yeah,
But
that's the part. Like I'm a wizard around the system. I just don't know how to analyze it. To be okay. Red box.
all right. So now we're on the red box question.
I hate these graphs. They look so ugly to me.
I
They look
know.
like an alien of on Sesame Street or something. Don't they? Am I just a crazy?
all right. So it's making decisions on how long it takes to make a decision in red box.
Oh, people take way too long. It drives me crazy.
Okay. What is the third quartile of the red box decision times? So do we just need to calculate it again? Or
Okay.
third quartile would include 75% of it. Am I thinking correctly?
But we can do it just off of the way it looks, can't we?
Yeah.
I think that's what you're supposed to do.
So that line in
So-
the middle isn't that the
Median, I think.
That's the median. The top line
is the maximum?
Yes. Let's see.
Wait, which one was the
Wait a minute.
median? The blue?
The line in the middle of the box.
In the middle of the box.
It was like a little above 100.
So 100. Yeah, a little like
Second.
100 and some.
They talk about it somewhere in here. Let me find it.
The third quartile is the top line of the box. The top of the box.
Oh. Okay, so we're at like, what, 190? I can't tell.
I'd say like 190.
So, okay, so the median is the line. I'm looking at the lesson 3 online book, and it talks about it. It describes it. So the median is the line. The third, whatever it's called, is the very edge of it. That's closer, the very edge of the box. It's closest to the maximum.
So would it
So that would be like 180 or whatever that we decided.
Okay. And that is the third quartile?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the longest observed is at the top. How is she supposed to have? How does she want us to get an exact number?
She
Like-
must need a range. Like, there's no way
Yeah.
you can get it. It's not on the number.
Did you say the third quartile was 180?
She said 80, I said 190. It's somewhere around there. I can't tell.
Yeah, it's like 180, between 180 and 190. Oh, on the bottom, if you look at number 12, she gives you a better idea. So 187. That's what I'm thinking. You see where I'm looking? On 12.
Oh.
So she gives you...
Well, that's 105. That's the answer to 12, though. So you think we should put
Right, but what I'm-
187?
187 is...
Yeah, since that's... I see what you're saying. That's really smart.
For the third quartile?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She gave us a little cheat sheet here
Yeah.
to help us
Like
find the numbers.
Number.
What is the longest observed time?
I
And
would-
that is the top number.
Yeah, that's the little top of the whisker or
So
whatever it's called.
710.
Sure. I can't
Didn't
really
give us
tell.
a cheat sheet for that one.
I know. I was hoping
But-
you would.
It looks
Yeah.
higher than the 105. You know, like higher up.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I don't know.
Or we could do
So-
708.
Say that again.
Or we could do 708.
Yeah.
Wait, done. And we can always complain until she gives us the answers on these.
That's right.
Okay,
So-
hold up.
That's all the questions. I think I'm just going to submit it tonight.
Are you gonna submit
Wait,
it
what
right now?
did we decide for 12? 110, 1.
105.
Right. Okay.
But here's the thing. That's the median, not the mean.
Oh.
The mean would be like
The
9.
mean, we can't determine it because it doesn't give us all the numbers.
You're right.
Or can it?
Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Well, it's above 0, so it would be like 62 is my guess.
But we don't know.
Well, the mean is like kind of like the average.
It is
so,
the average, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the thing though is that we can't just take the average between the top and the bottom because
Because
most
it's not. Exactly.
of it is below 200. So I don't think we actually can do it.
I don't think we can determine it without the data, without knowing the numbers.
Yeah, but now I hate answering that. I always feel like that's the wrong answer.
I know.
Wait,
Because we need to add up all the numbers and divide it by the amount of data we have, but we don't have the data, so we can't determine what it is because that line is the median, not the mean.
Yeah, good catch.
Good one.
I don't want to get a B plus on the next one.
Oh,
if we
that
do bad
just
on
killed
this one, I'm
me.
going to probably cry.
For number 11, did we decide on 708 or 710?
Well,
put
she
seven.
doesn't give us any way
Of
to know,
determining
so
that.
as long as we're pretty close.
yeah, and if she marked me wrong, I would argue it. till
I
she
would
gave me the
too.
points.
How are we supposed
Point,
to
whatever much it's worth.
do I don't care. Let's just pick something.
I'm pretty sure she's gonna give us a point as long as we're pretty close.
Yeah, I wonder if she's not going to give us a grade right when we submit this because she has to look at
That's
the
a
numbers.
good call. Yeah.
Yeah, she'll probably have to go through it.
Well, I emailed her and I'm like, well, we're struggling and none of this is working. And she's like,
I didn't get answers 5 and 6 because I obviously came in late. I think I put down the right answers for 3 and 4, but I need to check with you guys.
okay. So let's just go over all our answers that we have before everybody leaves.
Yeah.
So we'll start with 3. So for 3, I have 80041.
Yeah.
4, I have 71404.
Yeah.
Yep.
5, I have 4.
Yes.
6, I have 8.2.
Okay, I got that one.
You have 4 for 5.
4 months, because that's the median.
Okay.
7, I got 1. 8, I have 2. 9, I have 12. 10, I have 187.
Yeah.
11, I have 708. And then 12 is this cannot be determined.
Yeah. The only one I'm unsure about is probably the undetermined, but I think about it.
Should we just submit it and then hope we don't cry? This one makes me I'm a little more weary of this one than the
Yeah,
last one.
I'm super nervous.
Yeah, because of the numbers, it's not just multiple choice. You're entering.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one stupid thing can screw up your whole number.
Yeah, because there's only 12 questions. So
Yeah. Should we submit it?
I'm down. Anyone have any other comments?
I don't. What about you guys? I don't think there's anything else we can do.
I don't either. Okay, I'm just gonna submit it.
Really
Okay.
quick for number 5. Sorry, guys. I just want the median. I thought the median was 7.
No, so that would be the mean, not the median.
Right.
No.
That's right.
Does
Yeah.
that make sense?
The median, remember we decided that it was you line up all the numbers consecutively and you choose the middlemost number. But since there was an even amount of numbers, we were in between 3 and 5. So we
Yeah,
put
and
4.
so you take the mean of the two median numbers.
That,
Not your median.
okay. For some reason, I was thinking, yeah, the other.
Wait, how did you guys get 4 for the median if you were using 3 and 5? Aren't you supposed to do like, I don't know, what's that? It had like
They're
problem.
even, so you choose the middle one.
So, yeah, so it says earlier in the online textbook, let me find it, so I can have proof. Okay, so it says, if there is an even number of values, the median is the mean of the two middle values in the sorted list. So you line all your numbers on a list, like 1 through whatever. And so it goes 1, 3, 5, 19. So the two middle numbers are 3 and 5, and you take the mean of those numbers, which is 4.
So like the middle number between 3 and 5. is 4.
Exactly.
Okay.
So like if it were 5 and 6, and you're trying to find the median, you would say 5.5.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, should we submit?
Yeah.
I know.
Do it.
Okay.
Ready?
As long as everyone's cool.
Ready? Let's do it at the
Yeah.
same time.
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
boom.
How did you do?
Wait, not good.
What is the real answer?
I don't know. We did it right.
I feel gypped.
No, we totally did it right. We calculated it with the program she gave us.
Wait, are you guys talking about 7, 8, and 9?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna send her an email with all.
Maybe she wanted bigger numbers.
But
Maybe we didn't. Did we round it?
Well, we didn't put decimals because they were zeros.
That's probably what it is. Let me email. I'm gonna email her.
Are you gonna? Should we all email her, or just let Myra email her?
Well, did we do the 5-point summary correctly?
Well, I think so because I'm looking at the percentiles here. I top it up and never exited out. This is so frustrating.
Well, luckily these aren't worth a ton of our grade. You know, if we do well on almost everything else, we should be fine.
But I totally thought we got those.
Yeah, I thought we did too, but
So we would have gotten 100% if we put zeros on it, really? I think we should email her and see if we can get them back and then be like, we learned from our mistake.
Yeah. I think we should all email her though. That way she knows it's not just one.
Do you not think we should just do one group email?
I think we should do one group email and like tag everybody else in there.
Yes, that's what I meant to say.
Like CC everyone or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's probably pissed at me, so somebody else should probably send it.
Well, I haven't emailed her, so if you guys would like, I can do it.
That'd be great.
I have emailed her like 100 times.
Me and Myra have been on top of things.
Yeah, we were like emailing her at the same time, like, help me!
Okay, give me your guys' emails. I'm doing it through iLearn, so just read them to
Okay.
me.
So my email is jendahle.bsn@gmail.com.
Okay.
You give me the kind of crush, want it every time in every way.
Maybe should I just put your names in it and I'll forward you guys what I sent her, or?
It doesn't matter, either way.
That's fine. If you just forward that to me, I'll maybe add something. too.
Then I have your emails in my email, so I'll be able to do
You
that.
have mine.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I have the
do a
group
million
email, so I'll
times.
be able to get it.
Okay, that works.
Okay, so I'm just gonna say.
Okay, so when are we meeting next? Next Monday?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, I can do Monday.
I can do Monday.
Okay.
Did we decide on Monday at 5 my time, 6 Mountain Time, and then
It
8?
should normally work.
Okay.
Randomly,
So-
I have a surgery scheduled way later, but I don't predict that anytime soon because it's not December.
And are we doing both lessons on Monday, or are we going to split it up?
I say do both, but it's your call.
Yeah, I think we
Try.
try to do both and then.
Yeah.
See what happens.
And then see how we do.
Okay. How's that going to work with
Like a 10-hour recording. What?
How's that going to work with the 2 different videos that we have to post on 2 different collaboration boards?
Well, I can write on the second week. I can just copy the same thing down,
Okay. Cool.
and that way, and then just say we did them both at once.
Okay.
Yeah, if you write it in there, I think that's fine.
Yeah. She seems pretty chill about that kind of stuff, so hopefully she is.
Okay.
So really quick, Monday, 8 p.m. my time.
Yes.
6 you guys.
Yeah. And 5 for Stephanie.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna see if I can get that. If I get another number on SPSS, because that's stupid and it makes me annoyed.
Yeah, seriously. I feel bad for you. It sucks that it doesn't work all the time. Especially because you're the only one who really knows how to use it.
I know. I wish it worked. So yeah, let's see. It's quite annoying when I try and do home. It won't let me. It kicks me off.
So did you guys already go through the second part of the preparation assignment?
I don't think we really went through it.
I don't think we did.
I don't really think I need to because there's answers on there, so we can just go over if there's any questions.
Okay.
Well, I think that because a lot of it is just like taking it off of either Excel or SPSS
Yeah.
and then dumping it onto there.
Yeah.
So I think it's mainly for us to just look at graphs and figure out, oh, well, this has, like, they have a lot of, whatever.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Cool. Sorry I came in late.
No, don't even worry about it. I'm just exhausted, so I wanted to get it over with. So, and I figured that if you came in later, we would help you like we did with Myra last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably have to do that for each other at least once.
Yeah, I'm sure. We just gotta have each other's backs. And we do. We got a good group.
Yeah, I like it so far.
Well, and I like how it's not just one person do all the work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate those groups, and I want those people to get an F on everything, so I want to almost lie to them so that they could get an F. That sounds terrible. But you know what I mean. Like, it's not... Yeah, this is equal teamwork, and I appreciate it. Okay.
Okay, so I've got the email written. I'm just going to send it now.
Okay. Stephanie, do you have any questions?
Nope.
What we did? Okay.
Like, I went through preparation myself, and then, yeah, came in late, so it took me a bit to catch up.
Orient.
So.
Well, if you have questions, let us know.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
All right.
Calling it good now?
Yeah. All right, see you guys Monday.
See ya. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.